I will make delicious pancakes prepared with only 2 potatoes and cooked in a pan. Save this recipe and make it for your loved ones. 2 medium potatoes. Grate the potatoes from the small eye of the grater. My name is Dugda. I live in Turkey. Where are you from? I grated the potatoes. 1 cup milk. Pour the milk over the potatoes. I blender the potatoes and milk thoroughly. Beat well to get a completely homogeneous consistency. Are you seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to follow my new recipes. Two eggs. One 4-cup vegetable oil 60 ml. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 some black pepper. 1 some red sweet pepper. 1 cup flour 1 for OG. Mix well. I love spending time in the kitchen, do you? It was a very nice dough. Put the pan on the fire and heat it well. Pour 2 scoops of dough into the pan. And spread the dough on the pan by shaking the pan. Be careful to cover the entire pan. You can turn it after it is well matted. Delicious pancakes cooked. I definitely want you to try this recipe. I will make delicious sandwiches with these pancakes. What do you think it looks like? Please write me in the comments. I put some cream cheese on the cream first. You can make your sandwiches however you want. Slightly chopped lettuce. olive, and avocado. If you want, you can put tomatoes, ham, etc. I've tried them all, and they make really good sandwiches. I fold the pancakes on both sides. My delicious pancake sandwiches are ready to eat. Try these sandwiches that you can easily make in 5 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe for new videos. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in the next video.